Hey guys, these are the new iPhones. One in silver, one in blue. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is iPhone 12 Pro. They are both in the box. Obviously, I opened them before, but I just wanted to show you what it comes with. These are the boxes they come with. They're pretty fairly thin now because there's no charger in there, and I'm gonna get to that in a second. This is the iPhone 12 Pro, and if you open the box, all you're gonna get is the phone and your charger. There's nothing else in the box. Don't have big expectations. Apple trying to reduce and help the earth, reduce the waste. So there will be no more wall chargers. You're gonna have to pay $19.99 to get that fancy charger. That let me show that also. You're gonna have to pay $19.99 to get this extra charger right here. This pulls up pretty good juice from the wall, and it'll charge your iPhone 11, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max pretty good, pretty fast. I strongly suggest getting the right $19.99 wall charger. All right, back to the phones. 12 Pro out the package, nice to handle. It's not that big and it's not that small. Perfect size for pocket. There's your 12 Pro Max. You get to the box, peel the top off. Obviously, I turned it on before. This stainless steel frame. And look at those cameras, they are beast. They do exceptional video. These combined lenses. I love the finishing on the phone. If you're into videos and making vlogging and all that, no doubt, no questions asked, you're gonna go to Pro Max, 12 Pro Max or 11 Pro Max. Larger the phone, better the stabilization and all that. Panning gets better, handling gets better. Gotta remember, this has the sensor shift on it too. So videos are exceptionally stable without any attachment. You can literally hold the phone with your hand like that and record a video while walking as if you're not walking or as if you're on a gimbal. I mean, it may even kill the gimbal industry. That's that good. I'm just saying. So that's our 12 Pro Max. And that's our, let's get to the blue one. So I bought contrasted phones, so comparing is easier on the sides and everything else too, but look at these things. Massive phone and then a smaller phone right there. So if you put it on top of each other, exactly. Let's do that. I'm gonna pick this up, put them on the top. There you go, guys. That's the difference you're looking at between Pro Max and the 12 Pro on the top of each other. The ports are, as much as I'm listening to music and everything, definitely Pro Max on the left got better speaker system, louder, much deeper sound and all that. I guess it's because of the size. Technology is the same, but look at the whole numbers on there. 3 holes here, 4 holes here, 6 here, 5 here. So you can tell there's something bigger in there. I think the speakers might be a little bigger, no doubt. Why not use the space, right? So definitely louder and much better quality sound on the 12 Pro Max. It's my experience. Apple may say different, you may think different, but my experience says 12 Pro Max has better sound if you're listening on the speakerphone. Other than that, everything is pretty much identical. There's nothing you're gonna see other than size from outside because the cameras are the same. The only thing is how they function is not the same as far as stabilization goes. Let me do this. I'm gonna go try to get to this camera. This is the camera right here. Look at how much it sticks out of the, I mean, this is like really high. So there's no way for you to, like I said on my previous videos, no way for you to flush this phone when you sit it like that. Let me show you what I mean by that. Look at this. Look at the gap on that. You're sitting right on the lenses on that table right now. That's something I'm not comfortable with. I mean, I bought these phones for what? For the quality of the camera, practicality. See like how it's not sitting flat? See the gap? So if I flip it, it sits flat. No way to sit it flat without a case. So you want a case that actually flushes the camera. So when you flip it, it won't touch. But that's about it with the phones. Right from the top. Let me get that light. Yeah, there you go. Silver one. And the dark blue. It's hard to say. It looks like gray on the image probably. Camera is not as good as the newer phones on iPhone 7, so bear with me. This is the blue, the ocean one. This is the silver. Oh, look at that finishing. That stainless steel frame around this phone is exceptional. Yep, that was your SIM card hole right there. And that is your antenna for the 5G. They said it helps you with the reception. And that is the frame right around iPhone 12 Pro on the blue one. You can get the blue accents when I do that. And they made the stainless steel bluish. So, very good phones overall. If you're looking to carry it in your pocket, there's no doubt you're getting this one. If you're, more into the videos and want to get more out of your phone, you're getting the Pro Max. Price difference, is it worth it? Yes, for me it is worth it because I do a lot of videos, handout videos. I go with the Pro Max. And if you're just like phone, occasional videos, a lot of photos and everything, iPhone 12 Pro is a no-brainer in your pocket. You won't even feel it. It's lighter than your wallet. Perfect size, perfect screen, perfect brightness, perfect cameras. All right, folks, if you have any questions, let me know. I've been using these for a while now. I'll answer all your questions about 5G phones and all that. Just shoot down in the comments. Just let me know what do y'all think about these.